Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of home decor where simplicity meets elegance. Sometimes it's the understated that touches truly transform a space, making it warm, inviting, and oh, so sophisticated. Whether you are a minimalist at heart or just looking to infuse a touch of grace into your home, these simple and elegant decor ideas are bound to inspire. Let's get started. When it comes to creating an elegant space, a neutral color palette is your best friend. Think soft whites, muted grays, and earthy tones. These hues provide a calming backdrop, allowing you to decor piece to shine. Invest in statement furniture with clean lines and timeless designs. A well crafted sofa, a sleek dining table, or an elegant bed frame can instantly elevate the look of your room while exuding the sense of sophistication. Texture is the secret ingredient to adding the depth to your decor. Layer different textures throw pillows, cozy blankets, and area rugs. Think chunky knit, smooth silk, and rustic jute. They all play a part in creating a visually appealing and tactile experience. Less is often more when it comes to wall art. Opt for minimalist pieces, a single large canvas, a delicate line drawing, or a serene landscape. These understated artworks create a sense of harmony and space. Mirrors are a classic addition to any elegant space. They not only reflect light, making the room appear larger and brighter, but they also bring an air of elegance. Choose a beautifully framed that mirror that complements your decor style. Bringing the outdoors in is a surefire way to add elegance to your home. Fresh flowers and potted plants infuse life and a touch of nature into your decor. Arrange them in elegant vases or minimalist planters. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. A few well chosen decor pieces that hold personal meaning or aesthetic value can make a more significant impact than cluttering your space with numerous items. Lighting sets the mood, so choose your fixtures thoughtfully. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and sconces can all add a touch of elegance. Consider warm, soft lighting that creates an inviting ambience. Elegance thrives in an organized space. Regularly declutter your belongings and find smart storage solutions. This not only keeps your space visually appealing but also contributes to a sense of tranquility. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches, whether it's a collection of cherished books, family heirlooms, or travel souvenirs. These elements add depth and personality to your decor. And there you have it, our guide to simple and elegant home decor ideas. Embracing a redefined aesthetic doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or individuality. By focusing on subtle details and timeless choices, you can create a space that exudes grace and charm. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until the next time, create beauty in simplicity and happy decorating. Thank you.